Hello, it's been a bit of a while, but I've had a few problems, so I just thought I'd better give you a quick channel update. As you know, I went on holiday for 3 or 4 weeks, and I managed to still put out some news items during that time, although the upload was a bit slow at times. And then I got home and I did one, and then I got sick. I had a really terrible cold, and it just dragged me down mentally and physically. So I really didn't feel like doing anything. And then I looked at my stats, and the number of new subscribers was just going down and down and again. I just go, fuck it. But then I was in hospital. I had an operation, and I walked around with a drain and suction bottle for over a week before that came out, and that really made me feel quite peed. And it's still not right. I've got no drain now, but it's still big lump under where the operation site was, and I go back to see the specialist in a couple of days. So I'm still just not right in the head. But I thought I better put something out because I haven't for a while. I've got actually a lot of videos in the can, if you like. Still some from the Everything Electric show over in Sydney, which was almost 2 months ago now, I think. And I've still got a few of those to do, so I might get around to doing those. And while I sort of try to get me head back in the right space. But if you could pretty please do me a big favour, stick with me, and give me a big psychological boost by clicking that subscribe button below. It helps the channel, and as I said, it gives me a bit of a psychological boost. So thanks very much. Sorry about the delay, but I will be getting back into it hopefully next week after I've seen the surgeon at the end of this week, and we'll see what comes of that. So thanks very much, and I'll see you all very soon.